Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your YouTube channel earnings with YouTube Studio, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your computer and launch your web browser. Go to the YouTube website by typing in www.youtube.com. Sign in to your YouTube account using your credentials. Once signed in, click on your profile picture located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. In the left-hand menu, find and click on Analytics. Here, you will find various metrics related to your channel. Look for the Estimated Revenue section, which provides a summary of your earnings over different time periods. To see a more detailed breakdown, scroll down to the top Earning Videos section. This section displays which videos are generating the most revenue for your channel. You can choose different time frames to analyze, such as the last 28 days or a custom date range. Additionally, check the estimated ad revenue to see how much you are earning from ads specifically. If you want to dive deeper, you can click on Revenue Sources to explore where your earnings are coming from. Make sure to regularly monitor these analytics for changes in your earnings. Understanding your revenue data can help you make informed decisions about your content strategy. Now you can exit YouTube Studio when you're finished reviewing your earnings. That's it. You have successfully verified your YouTube channel earnings using YouTube Studio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.